My name is John Stone. We're dairy farmers farming on the outskirts of Moate here in County Westmeath. It's a family-run dairy farm and I'm farming in partnership with my son Thomas. We were installing a new dairy and a new milking parlour, and we decided to try and do everything to the highest possible standard at that particular time. So it was inevitable that we'd employ a good electrician and put in the most modern equipment from a safety point of view. We had identified a lot of weaknesses with our old parlour, so we wanted to have it a safe place for people working with us on the farm, and we also wanted to have a safe environment for the animals. The main benefits we would see since we did this work, we've never had electrical breakdown within the farm gate. It gives us huge peace of mind, because when you have bad wiring or poor wiring on the farm, there's always the risk of fires or accidents on the farm, and we feel we have those eliminated now with what we have done on the farm. We have all waterproof fittings in all the sheds around the yard. We have all the proper boxes for storing the MCBs, and we feel that the farm is safe from an electrical point of view now. We carry out the RCD test roughly about twice a year, mainly in the autumn and the spring at the commencement of the winter calving in the autumn, and we just go through the fuses, the RCBs, and we just press down the test button for each one of them, and we know then that they're working. We were always worried that we'd ever have a fire on the farm or an accident due to electricity, and I suppose if you have bad wiring in a milking parlour, you can have high cell count problems with the cows as well, so all those things were eliminated. We would encourage people, ourselves and anybody else that's working on the farm with us, and including contractors, to be on the lookout all the time, and if they spot anything dangerous with wires or poles on the farm, to report that to the ESB Networks and to avoid making contact.